Honor has officially confirmed the launch of its new GT series handset. The company shared a teaser on Weibo, revealing details about the upcoming device and some additional offerings that are expected to debut alongside the release. Full performance, win the game. That's the slogan of the Honor GT smartphone that will launch on December 16th. Apart from the launch date, the company has also displayed the device's official look. According to the company, the Honor GT smartphone has a rectangular bar-like camera module on the rear. It houses two lenses arranged vertically. Moreover, the framework has a red-colored GT logo in the lower right corner, giving a powerful feel to the smartphone. Further details indicate the dual-tone design on the rear end. Two different but elegant shades are splashed on the back cover in a block shape. The overall appearance provides a race-like feel to the eyes. The device is probably a perfect handset for youth. Honor GT product manager Charlie showed a chart suggesting that the device will feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's said to deliver an impressive and powerful performance. Meanwhile, other key details are expected to be revealed soon with interesting teasers. The all-new GT smartphone is available for pre-orders in 3 color options: Phantom Black, Ice Crystal White, and Aurora Green. It'll come in 4 storage variants: 12GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 512GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 1TB. Consumers can visit the Honor Mall to pre-book the device before the official launch. Notably, you'll be required to deposit 100 yuan to secure 10 benefits with this Honor GT phone.